Haircut and trimming has never been so easy. The ultimate grooming solution. Meet the Beast Clipper by Skull Shaver, the wildest innovation for super easy haircuts at home. With our patented ergonomic handle, reaching all those tricky spots is like a stroll in the park. Cut at the side. Cut at the back. Super easy. Get precise length for your beard. Trim it, cut it, anywhere, anytime. Giving a haircut is now a breeze. No hassle, no fuss. Use it for yourself, your kid, your father, or literally anyone. Also get 30-day money-back guarantee, crafted with the most advanced technology for utmost control and comfort during every use. Enjoy multiple holding positions for a comfortable grip. With Beast Clipper, control time and money. Latest innovation by Skull Shaver.
The best gift that I ever received.